Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all will be fine and safe, sound good. So I'm your English teacher, and as you know that we have completed our explanation of unit 1, which is from the month of August, that is the birthday present. And now I'm going to explain you its question answer and exercises, but before this I will give you a short story of this unit, the birthday present, in a short story. Then after I will explain you the question answer and exercises. So students, I'll give you its work in your group, and if you have any query then you can ask to me in your group at time of 5 to 6, and my other person number 2. So let's move on our topic. So students, it's your unit 1 birthday present, and first I'm going to tell you the short story of this unit, then after I'll explain you the exercises with question answer. So in this unit we have learned about the Omri's disappointment, because he felt disappointed with Patrick's present. Omri already had lots of plastic toy figures with which he was somewhat tired of playing. Omri hid his real feeling from Patrick because he didn't want his friend to feel as though his gift was not appreciated. That's why he hid his feelings. But the simple response, if he had been in Omri's place, and he would have added the plastic red Indian to himself collection of plastic figures and made up different games to play with. This way the toy would not have been wasted, because he thinks Galen's gift was more thoughtful, because he knew Omri's would feel excited by it, because he did not want to give Omri one of his old toy, because he want to play with it anymore. He didn't care of it to play with it. But he thinks the next in the story happens that Omri and the Red Indian became friends, and Omri shows him his other toys. Omri would hide the Red Indian from Patrick too, because he would not want Patrick to take him back. That's why he hide that and didn't show to the Patrick of the Red Indian. So it is the story of this unit, birthday present. Now students, let's move on the explanation of question answer, then exercise. So student, it is your first question is, how did Omri feel when Patrick gave him present? Answer: Omri felt disappointed when Patrick's present. Omri really already had lots of plastic toy figures with which he was somewhat tired of playing. Now, second question is, why do you think Omri hid his real feelings from Patrick? Omri hid his real feelings from Patrick because he did not want his friend to feel as though his gift was not appreciated. Now, question number 3. Had you been in Ombri's place, how would you have used the Patrick's gift? Give reason for your answer. Answer is sample response. If I had been in Omri's place, I would have added the plastic red Indian to my collection of plastic figure and made up different games to play with it. In this way, the toy would not have been wasted. So now question number 4. Comparing Patrick's gift with Gillen's, whose do you find thoughtful and why? Give reason. Answer of number 4 is, I think Gillen's gift was more thoughtful because he knew Omri would feel excited by it. Patrick had given Omri one of his old toys because he did not want to play with it any more. He did not care if Gillen's could play with it. Now question number 5. Do you agree that anyone in Omri's situation would have been petrified? Discuss this with your classmates and give reason. Answer is, classmates give reason. I think that an older person such as Gillen would not have been petrified. They would suppose that the sounds were being made by mouse or other small creature. They might also have thought that they were imagining the sound. Now question number 6. What do you think happens next in the story? Answer, I think next in the story happens that Omri and the red Indian became friends, and Omri shows him his other toys. Omri would hide the red Indian from Patrick's because he would not want Patrick to take him back. So students, I have explained you its all questions and answer, and that is 1 to 6 question that has been explained by me. So now move on to exercise, and its exercise is B, reference to context. So in this exercise is about, we have to read the lines of this story and then answer the question of it. So let's move on the exercise B. So student, it is the first question of exercise B, reference to context. Its first question is, you could have got a chain for it. It's also depend on the options like A, B and C, and it has also the questions that we have to answer of these questions. So first options question is, who says this to whom? Answer, Omri says this to his mother. Now B, what is it? Answer, it is a very ordinary key. Where did it come from and why is it special? Answer is, the key, it belonged to a jewelry box that Omri's grandmother had bought from Florence. It was special because Omri's mother had worn the key around her neck and remember her mother. So students, its question number 2 is, and he was alive. Option also A, B and C. Its option A is, who is alive? Answer, the red Indian figure is alive. Now B, why is this surprising? Answer, this is surprising because the figurine was non-living object. Now it's C, what do you think has made this happen? Answer, I think the cupboard made this happen. The cupboard is likely to have magical properties. So students, I have explained you the exercise B, reference to context also. Now let's move on. It's exercise C. That will be like form of flimsy blanks. In that you have to write the names and fill the blanks with these words. Here I have the words of answer. So you have to fill it in your book. Blank. So let's move on. Exercise C. Student, I have here a short answer of exercise C, but I'm read out the complete questions of these and I'll explain you the blank words from here. So let's move on. Exercise C. Find suitable expression in the story to complete the following. So we have to complete these sentences by using these words in your notebook. So you have to write a complete sentence with using these words like short answer from your notebook. First is, it was her dash to get puppy. In the bracket, strong who. So here is first answer is dearest wish. Now second is B, they were all dash bracket full of things. So you have to write the option B answer is grateful. Now C, pretending I was asleep, I lay dash bracket without moving at all. So you have to also take an answer from here, perfectly still. Now D, she was dash the best player on the team, bracket certainly, answer is undoubtedly. And now last one is E, the jar was dash in bracket closed, so you have to write the word shirt to fill the word. So we have completed the exercise C. Now we will come to the word sentences. So student, it is the question number 2 of exercise C, word sentences. Here I made it myself, my sentences, and you can make your own. Okay. So first is appreciate. Now the sentence is, I appreciate everything you do. Now second is scrambling. Sentence is, when he has gone, I found Ali scrabbling for his hat where it had dropped over behind the desk. Now third one is petrified. Most people seem to be petrified of a snake. Complaining. Please complain to the manager if anything is wrong. Now E, complicated. The math teacher helped the students solve complicated problems with many different steps. Now last one is disappointed. He was disappointed with Patrick's gift. So student, here I have explained you this unit in short story and its exercises with question and answer. So you have to do it in your notebook yourself with neat and clean writing. So students, first you have to make the data page of the month of August and the title page of unit 1, the per day present. Then you have to write the first page writing of this unit 1. Then you will start your work. So first you have to write, as I explained you, the words meaning, and then question and answer. Then and after question and answer, you will start your exercise B, C. That is the reference to context, and some are filling the blanks, and then after the word sentences. So you have to write it all these words work with neat and clean writing. Okay, so I'll give you the pick of these work in your group. So you have to do it in proper way, like I'm sending this way. So you have to do it that way. I'm again saying, first you have to make the data page of month and unit 1, birthday present. Then you will write the first page writing. Then after that, you have to write the words meaning. Then question and answer. And after question and answer, you will write the exercise B, reference to context. Then after exercise C, that will be filling the blanks and word sentences. So student, if you have any kind of problem, you can ask to me in your group. That's the timing of opening is 5 to 6. You can ask to me everything and every query if you have got any kind of problem, and you can ask to me in my personal number too. So student, till then, Allah Hafiz, bye, take care.